Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add emergency contacts on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the Safety and Emergency or Emergency Info option. The exact name may vary depending on your Android version or phone brand, but it's usually in the System or Personal Settings section. Step 3. Next, locate the Emergency Contacts option. Tap on it. Step 4. For the last and most important step, select the option to add an emergency contact. This could be a button that says Add Contact or a plus icon, depending on your phone. When prompted, choose the contact you want to set as an emergency contact from your phone's address book. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.